Think of a good public speaker. How fast do they talk? Quickly or slowly? In other words, what's their pacing like? I'm David Pope, and I'm Asia's leading executive voice coach. In my work with clients, I see a common pattern. When people feel nervous, they speak faster. It's natural. But if you want to project authority and leadership, you need to slow down. Slowing down has lots of benefits, both for your audience and for you. It makes it easier for your audience to follow what you're saying. You give them more time to process the information. It also makes your message memorable. Your audience remembers more if you slow things down. It helps you by making you more relaxed and in control, and your audience picks up on that. It gives weight and power to your words if you don't rush through them. It gives you time to add emphasis and impact to what you say. And most importantly, you come across as confident and authoritative. You sound like you know what you're talking about. But you shouldn't speak at the same slow speed all the time. That's boring. You need to vary your pace. Speaking slower adds emphasis and gravitas. Speaking faster shows excitement and intensity. So, varying your pace will hold your listeners' attention, and that's what makes a great speaker. In my course, Projecting Leadership, you'll learn how to transform your voice and presence with gravitas. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life. To check out this course, click the link in the description. Let's get started on your voice and presence transformation. Use your best voice with all voice talent.